Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering. The topic is battle cutting. Question number 190 from GATE 2020 ME-02. Bars of 250 mm length and 25 mm diameter are to be turned on a lathe with a speed of 0.2 mm per revolution. Each regrinding of tool costs rupees 20. The time required for each tool change is 1 minute. The tool life equation is given as Vt record 0.2 is equal to 24, where the cutting speed V is in meter per minute and tool life T is in minutes. The optimum tool cost per piece for maximum production rate is rupees dash, round up to 2 rupees. So for optimal production rate, the total time for turning should be minimum, and the total time for turning is Tt is equal to Tm plus Tct into Mc. Here Tm is your machining time and Tct is your tool changing time for one change, and Nc is number of time the tool has been changed. Okay. So we'll find out the value of Tm and Nc by in turning operation. As Tm is your machining time, so we have to machine L length of workpiece. Okay, and the speed is your F. F is speed in uh, speed per revolution, mm or in mm per revolution, and N is the RPM of the shaft. Okay, as turning is performed, this is the length of the workpiece, and the revolutions are in revolution 1 minute is N. So as speed is given in mm per revolution or meter per revolution, so if we multiply it by n, then it will be in mm per minute or in meter per minute. Okay. So this will become velocity in the direction of length, and the distance is or displacement is n. Okay. So the time is distance by velocity. So L by F into n will be your machining time, and this n can also be determined from this equation. Because V is your cutting velocity, then V will be equal to pi dn, and n is number of revolution, and in one revolution there is pi d distance traveled. So this will be your velocity. So n comes out as V by pi d. Okay, so now we can put the value of capital N here. So it will be pi dl by fv. Now another constant is Nc. So Nc is your number of time the tool has to be changed. So we have determined machining time for Tm, and if we divide by tool life, then it will be number of time tool has to be changed. So it will be pi ld divided by fb divided by t. It's the number of time tool has to be changed. Now from tool life equation we have Vt raised power n is equal to constant, and from this we have T is equal to C raised power 1 by n V divided by V raised power 1 by n. Okay, so this is your tool life equation. Okay, so now here in Nc you can put the value of T. Okay, and then this value will be pi ld f V raised power 1 minus n 1 minus 1 by n raised power C by n. Just put in the value of T here. Okay, so now the total tool type equation becomes, put in the value of Tm, put in the value of Tct, and put in the value of Nc. Okay, so this is your Nc. So now for maximum production rate, we have to minimize time, or we have to determine the velocity at which the total time is minimum. Okay, so differentiating it with respect to V and put it equal to 0. So here we can see that pi ld by f is common. Okay, and 1 by v differentiation is minus 1 by v square, and its differentiation is 1 by n minus 1. Okay, because it will be inverse will be minus 1 by n minus 1. Okay, divided by so it will be 1 by v square 1 minus n. So the differentiation will be 1 by v raised power 1 minus 1 by n differentiation will be 1 by n minus 1 into 1 by v square minus 1 by n. Okay, in power, and this Tct and C by 1 by C by C raised power 1 by n will be same. So if we put equal to 0, then it will be so V will be your n c raised power 1 by n divided by 1 minus n into TCT raised power n. Okay. So now we can put the value of n as 0.2 and value of c as 24 and value of TCT as 1. So v comes out as 18.18 meter per second. From tool life equation we can put the value of v and find out the tool life. So that comes out as 4 minutes. So now we have value of v and value of t corresponding to minimum time or maximum production rate. Okay. So now from this v and t we can determine machining time, because the machining time is in the form of v in the term of the pi dl. Okay. So now pi v is known 25, L is known 250, F is known, okay, and V is known, okay, F is 0.2. So TM comes out as 54 minutes, oh sorry, 5.4 minutes. Okay, so this is the machining time and tool life is 4 minutes. So number of time tool has to be changed is 5.4 by 4, that is 1.35. And cost of the grind is given as 20 rupees. So as we have to, as number of time that tool has to be changed is 1.35, or the number of time that tool has to be regrind is 1.35. So the cost of grinding is 20 into 1.35, that is 27 rupees.